Hello and welcome to Shopify Expert. Today we are going to create Shopify store from the link provided in the description with free 14 days trial. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon, and you will find all the videos related to Shopify store development in this playlist of Shopify store development. So first of all, you have to click on the link given in the description, and the link will be this. Once you will click on this link, you will be on this page after clicking that link. So first of all, you have to write the email. After writing your email, you can just click on start free trial. It will be a 14 days free trial without credit card. So you just have to enter your email. Okay, after entering your email, see, you can just make your password. Hit your password, and then you can see your Shopify URL here. You can edit this URL just like this, like we are doing. Just like this. Click on create your store. Now our Shopify store is creating. Except that, wow, our store has been created now. So it will ask you a few questions like, are you already selling? If you are not selling, you can click I'm not selling product yet. I'm not selling this not online. I sell with a different system. If you are coming from WordPress or BigCommerce, you can select this one. But if you are selling through Facebook or social media, you can check this one. Okay, I will select I'm not selling products yet. So I'm just playing around with this one. Or you can also select this one. So do you want to sell products through dropshipping? If you are going to have dropshipping business, then you can check this one. You can make it yes. Otherwise, if you have your own products or warehouse, you can select no. In addition to your Shopify store, where else would you like to sell online? You can check all these sales channels. What is your current revenue? You can share your revenue here, like whatever it is. Which industry will you be operating in? Like if you are coming from any industry like clothing, electronics, you can select and come here. So we'll just select something like this, and then next. In the next, it will be asking for your details. We will write our details. Test user address. You can select any address that is for your store you have registered with, and then you can have your phone number. We'll start with any dummy. And then you can have, if you have your existing website or any business, you can mention it here, and then you will say enter my store. After clicking up Enter My Store, you will be acting to Shopify Terms of Services and Privacy Policy. Okay, now we have entered the basic details for our Shopify store. Wow, we are on a trial plan. And here it is. The Shopify store has been created from very basic settings. Don't forget to create your store from the link provided in the description for Shopify store creation with 14 days free trial. So from here, we will be going to set up all these things to see all these options available here, including settings. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.